Good afternoon. My name is Kimberly Miller, and I am the Assistant to Canada's Minister of Finance, Joe Oliver. I'm here today to discuss the advantages of doing business in Canada, the current state of our economy and the future outlook for business, and government agencies that will assist you in doing business with our nation. Canada is a stable, innovative country, and there are countless advantages when trading with Canada in comparison to any other place in the world. Our country enjoys relatively low inflation, a strong dollar, and continued investment in education and infrastructure. Canada has the highest computer literacy rate in the G8 and has the highest percentage of post-secondary education graduates in the world. Canada is marked fourth in the world with regards to ease with which companies can run their businesses. We also rank first in the G8 business ethic practices. These factors, along with our breathtaking natural resources and excellent quality of life, make Canada a preferred place to both live and invest in. Canada also costs much less to invest in compared to other leading countries. Recent studies show that Canada is the most cost-efficient country in North America, also surpassing countries in Europe and Japan. Canada currently leads the G8 with the lowest overall tax rate on new business investments at 17.0%. Canadian business costs are approximately 15% lower than the US, while labor costs are 20 to 40% lower than the US. Foreign investors in Canada will also be assured access to both NAFTA and the EU, a market with a combined GDP of $35 trillion. Therefore, Canada has evolved into an intelligent, wealthy, and economically stable country that will graciously allow and contribute to thriving businesses. Canada's economic outlook has remained stable throughout 2013 and 2014. Canada's inflation rate held steady at 2.1% in August, following a 0.4% increase the previous month. This caused the Canadian dollar to raise $0.0075 against that of the US. Our current prime rate is 3.00%, which has not changed since September 2010. This rate is not expected to change over the next year. The Canadian dollar is currently valued at $0.9028 compared to the American dollar. This value is expected to slightly decrease over the next 2 quarters. Our GDP is valued at $1,825.1 billion in US dollars. This is a slight increase from 2013, and this rate is predicted to continue to increase over the next few years. With both Canada and the US currently in the expansion phase of the business cycle, Canada is especially stable economically and definitely creates low-risk international trade opportunities. If you are looking to invest in or trade with Canada, there are numerous government agencies that will assist you in the process. Strategies, Foreign Affairs, International Trade Canada, the Canadian Trade Commissioner Service, the Atlantic Canada Opportunities Agency, and Business Development Bank of Canada are all Canadian businesses that offer their service to international businesses. Many of these agencies have offices located around the world and can be easily contacted in multiple languages. They offer global events, investment opportunities, and access to advisors, all of which can help expand a business into Canada with ease. In conclusion, Canada is a thriving country that offers a safe and inexpensive opportunity to invest in. Our stable economy and countless trade agencies both contribute to a low-risk scenario that can contribute to your business's success internationally. I hope that you will consider Canada as an option when expanding your business internationally, and I thank you for this wonderful opportunity to promote Canada's potential on the international stage.